Hello and welcome back. And in this video, we are going to be talking about a new app that we're going to be building, which will basically show you how the app animation in SwiftUI works. And this time around, we're going to create a Fireworks example where you'll be able to draw a path and then trace back to light the fireworks. So let me show you what we're going to be creating. So we're gonna have this app where you can draw some shape. So let's go ahead and draw a shape. Okay, and you can light the fuse to let the path being traced backward and then play a fireworks at the end. And you can do it for really simple shapes. And you can do it for very complex as well. So let's create. All right, let's try it. And there we go. So this is the app that we're going to be building, and you can use it as a tracing app. So for example, if you're teaching somebody how to write a number, right, you can trace it back to them. Like, for example, they can write 1. They can see how the number is traced, and you can write 2. And just like that. Okay. All right. So this is the example this is the example app that we're going to be building. And once again, this is going to be entirely in SwiftUI. So let's go ahead and hop on to the next video where we're going to get started. Thank you.